G'day, welcome back to RC Model Reviews. Here I am. Where have I been? I've been sick. I'm still sick. I've still got a cold. You can probably tell by my voice that my nose is all clogged up. I've had 2 colds in 4 weeks. It's not good enough. Anyway, also, one of the main reasons you haven't seen me here is because I've been doing an awful lot of work in the background because I'm rebooting the channel. What does that mean? Well, if you watch my Xnet channel, you'll know that I've been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, and the doctor informs me that if I want to do things that involve dexterity and, basically what I do now, best to do them in the next year to 18 months. So I'm not sitting here like a jelly on a spin dryer, So that's what I plan to do. I have revamped the entire format of the channel. I have refocused my emphasis, and the new rebooted RC Model Reviews channel will be launched next week. It was going to be this week, but I've been sick. Next week is the relaunch, and I hope you'll like what you see. Now, I've spoken to a couple of people about this, and they are delighted with the way the channel is being rebooted and the direction I'll be taking. So I'm not going to give you too much information, but just suffice to say, because I won't be able to make these videos in 18 months' time, I need to leave a legacy of knowledge and information so that you can make your own informed decisions, so that you have enough knowledge, information, and understanding of stuff to decide for yourself whether a product is going to be any good or not. And that means you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn an awful lot in the next year to 18 months. And I'm going to make sure that the information is presented in my usual fashion, which makes it simple going, a few liberties with the facts from time to time just to make it easier, but it's not going to be an onerous task to learn a lot of stuff. Hopefully so. Also, production values will be way up. I've got a green screen, look. I've got a green screen. Anyway, but I have a green screen because the production values will be increasing. I've got new software, editing software. I'll probably be looking at getting a new camera. And so there's a lot of changes in the scenes behind the background. The bench has been cleared out because there'll be project stuff going up on the bench. The build table has extra lighting, so I can do builds even in the dark, short days of winter as we have now. So yeah, lots of stuff coming. And if you've got questions or comments or suggestions, put them in the space provided by YouTube down here, and I will certainly try and address them. But as I say, next week, all new, reboot, woohoo! Can't wait myself. Can you wait? Hopefully you can. So that's it. And now there's a bell somewhere on this page, I'm told, and if you click on the bell and make sure you're signed up for notifications when I post videos, the videos will probably be, I'm looking at a target of 3 videos a week, probably a Monday, Wednesday, and a Friday, which means there will be not more videos, but more regular videos. So you'll be able to say, oh, it's Wednesday, RC Model Reviews will have a new video up. And because the format is different, it'll take me 2 days to edit a video because I've been hoping to get the high quality and everything. Now, there will still be some reviews, right? I'm still going to do reviews. The name of the channel still stands. But I'm stepping away from areas where I'm perhaps not the best person to do the reviews, like mini quads. Well, yeah, I fly mini quads, but honestly, I don't fly nearly as well as some of the other reviewers on the internet. Although, obviously, I don't have a big list of Amazon links in the description of this. But to be serious, these things are now so high performance and high spec. There's no way on hell I can tell the difference between brand A top spec mini quad and brand B. I can do a structural analysis and look at the science behind it and determine whether it's going to break easy, but that's about as far as it goes. So I'll leave that to other people. Besides which, a lot of regular subscribers have said, enough with the mini quads. We want something different. So that's it. Variety will be the spice of your life on RC Model Reviews Rebooted. Stay tuned. Don't miss it. And tell your friends. The more the merrier. And big thanks to my Patreon supporters, because it's mainly due to them I've been able to do this reboot, buying new stuff and spending money behind the scenes on upgrades and so forth. Thank you so much. There you go. Bye for now. See you next week.